Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the self-induction. Self-induction is a property of a coil by virtue of which it opposes the growth or decay, means the change in strength of current flowing through it by inducing EMF in itself. Means if we increase or decrease the current, then the coil opposes the increase or decrease in current and an EMF induced in the coil which opposes the current. Here in this diagram we have a battery which is connected with a coil and there is a tapping key in first diagram. When we close this key, then current in the coil start flowing in this direction. Now due to increase of current, the magnetic field linked with this coil increases, and as we know, if there is a change in magnetic flux, it induces an EMF. So an EMF induced in the coil, and the direction of this induced EMF is such that it opposes the growth of current in the coil. Due to it, there is a delay to acquire the maximum value of current in this coil. Now, what happens when we switch off the circuit or when the key K is open, then the current start decreasing in the coil. Due to this, there is a decrease in the magnetic field, and as the magnetic field will decrease, it will decrease the magnetic flux linked with the coil. So there again induces an EMF. Now the direction of induced EMF is such that it opposes the decay of current in the coil. So it delays the current to acquired minimum to zero, minimum or the zero value in the coil. So self-induction can be defined as the phenomenon of production of induced EMF in a coil as a result of change in current or the magnetic flux linked with the coil. As the self-induction opposes both the growth as well as the decay of current, so it is also known as inertia of electricity. Inertia of electricity. Now when let when K is switched on, a current I flows through the coil at an instant. At that instant, if the magnetic flux linked with the coil is phi, then this phi is directly proportional to I, or phi is equals to Li, where this L is known as coefficient of self induction. If I is equals to 1 ampere, then phi is equals to L, or we can say that the self-inductance of a coil is numerically equal to the magnetic flux linked with the coil when a current of 1 unit flows through it. Now from Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, we know that E is equals to minus d phi upon dt, or d upon dt of Li, or it can be written as minus L di upon dt. If the value of di upon dt is taken as 1, then E will be equal to minus L or L equal to minus E. We can define the coefficient of self-induction from here. As the induced EMF set up in the coil when the rate of change of current through the coil is unity. Now the unit of self-inductance it is Henry. So here we have discussed about the phenomenon of self-induction and its unit.